Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss about two main job control command, that is, one is add command and second is kill command. By using the terminal, practically we implement these two commands. Details about these two commands, add and kill command. Now open terminal. Now first we discuss about add command. This command is capable of executing Linux command at a future date and time. The input to this command comes from the standard input, that is keyboard, then the command type as the same. First we have to desktop. Now check the different files and folder available on the desktop. Now you can see that for any name India, if you check, no file is available, no folder is available with the name of India. Now we create in a future time. For example, this is the syntax of the add command. Add, now timing. For example, now we have to 19/10 June 6 and 2022. Now warning, that is the command will be executed using the bin bash shell. Now we want to create India. Now Control D. You can see that job 7 at Monday June 6. This is the time 7:10 and 22. You can see the output of the ls command. Currently we have a time 7:09 and no file is available with the name India. Now again we can check ls command. You can see still we have 1 minute left and no files or folder available with the name India, because with the help of add command we can create anything in a future date. But currently we apply on a terminal. We have a simple command, that is, we want to create a file in a future time. Now again we can check ls command. No file is available still, because time is 7:09, because the timing on the add command is 7:10. After some time, after some few seconds later, at 7:10 we can again check the file is available on desktop or not. If file is available on desktop, then we can see that in a future time, future date, we can execute different commands, not only the for creating files, but any other related task we can perform in a future time and date. Now time is available 7:10. Now you can see that India is available. At 7:10 this particular file is available, but before some second, now you can see that clear output here, no file is available with the name India. Now at the proper time India is available. Okay, other command, this is very powerful command, add command. So you have to check again the format of the syntax of the add command. So if you want to execute this particular command, you have to type first add, then timing, then month date, then the year. Then you have to type the particular work or job assigning to the terminal at this particular time. Then you have to Control D and we have a proper output of this particular command. At that particular time, for example, if you want to create a particular file or any other work you want to perform after 1 year in a future time, then it will perform in future date and time. Okay, the other command we will discuss here, kill command. Now with the help of jobs command, currently no jobs is available. Kill command can be used to terminate running processes and daemons. It can eliminate lots of processes with the combination of the ps command. Now with the help of kill command, -l, you have to use the -l. We have to first clear the screen here. Now kill is used with the help of L option to see the different options available. You can see that at one level we have the signal hub, then signal end, then signal quit, signal kill at signal max as 59 number. So we have 64 different numbers available. So these are the 64 different signals that can be sent. You may list them with the help of the kill command with the help of -L option. Now for example, if we use the jobs command here, no jobs is available currently. Okay, now if we want to create any file, for example cat greater symbol and Ravi, and we want to give a particular number, that is the n%, to move foreground processes into background. Now if we want to check the jobs here, again jobs, it will show the one job here which is stopped by the user. Okay, if you want to terminate this particular process with the help of kill, then you have to kill %sign and job ID which is 1. Okay, and you have to enter process here. Now this particular process is terminated. Again, if you want to check jobs command, nothing is available. So with the help of kill command, we have to assign the job number, then you can kill the job number 1 in a background. So this is about the add command, which is used to create anything, any process in future date and time. And second is the kill command, which is used to terminate a running process and demos. This is about the add command and kill command. Thank you for watching this video.